kwan kwa. Sisi asanye Ghana akoni de ye bonu 010. Meme wanu nie.
Telecel de yenim so bia na ne ope. Enu nti ne aye made for me bundle. Ya data ne call packages are F4. Ni aye ma won kwa. Made for me bundles. Send you we need je ho. But *530# na top made for me bundles. See ya.
Telecel, connecting energies.
Mentumi kansem bebre nia metimi aka ne se Awurade ahyemani munyam aye kwan wo mentumi ose ne ma mafamu ne ade na se mekasa meka owie no so wansan ko ka reho sembio ose so far so good just say wakona nim sa ne ye gbonyom ama baema no abobako Awurade Debbie first one there buy no first one buy no so ye mobro wa afa soka afa akwa bi sa na de free mu da eno ye boga ate nyame apagya no obo nyum ba ko na esesa na nyame de ne koye eti also maybe like graduate from a higher kwan ho ba fe de o say on to mean can sempi ba se sia de o say the what you know yes o ti say yedi aba o ti say niji aba o ti say eba no abetoma manyisa wa yes o ti say ama no ne makodru abruchira minyam frɛ ba yes ai bibia beda de da pepepe so far so good. It's a very beautiful and you say na no power ha na wo de ahye na wabɔ enya Iiadeakye Abia asemi ayiri mi aha mi asemi ntumi enyo Iiadeakye Abia ma bedi abene wi asim osi anope mempo se ototo nyu we wi ara ah dai ba ku bi so osi Yahweh wei ebebu abamu keke
because enyum bi o wa ebre wo ho ase
me say enyum ba ko amempe kra nyame anim ni lady no wabo nyum nyina bi but ya de ye yo ya de ye yo Awurade behoma on say utie wa graduate from that enyum no ne nyum ba ko bi na me bopa me pepa enyum ba ko bi ana no pa na me de ye program pa Obapa Christy, very powerful music, very powerful. What him say? And you know, Utie Diana Hamilton, or Benjamin so I'm a work in progress. Near day, so those are songs. Daughters, no near day. Oh, Obapa knew me at the pa Nancy Crown, Kofi Abraham.
On the network.
It's Kofi Abraham, Yumbi. On the old song, be beautiful. I do not there. Old and new. Oh, Obapa, that was wonderful. Wonderful. Hey, that woman. Oh, and Yumbu High Kenya. And I was crying on the Faton chain. Now, Bakubi, who say gospel. But my woman will say, me fee. Minqua, me fear, dear, or womb powder. What do I know? I say, who fear womb powder? The Sunday also, Moba. The angel of death, message and the spirit of death will come. People joke with words. Yes. But sarcasm on words in Yamedi Bowiase. Psalm 82 verse 6 or say, Namakasa moye nyame. Moyo susru hini, but you be one no assembly of it. And Opewu Jami, I may preach you. And pom to say, MCSU, my angel of pay.
Oh, I now couple in Shrow Pa, Wajuma Pa, O ye, Emagana, ne Asantamai. I no pay Iiadeakye Abia, ebe free Dr. Bao, Edama, Yarefo, near T4. And right now, Father's Day, Mr. Uti, and ya, O Papano. Watana Siacha were held, Fanabra Dr. Bao, Nanim Pomo Tutuno, Yen Yeman, and Papan, when Yana found ye. And Nunti, I no pay Dr. Basse. Obian fan and intre ya so ye ho ewu kumase atonsu agogo na we anopa metena se na ye doctor baako a wokọ ye physiotherapy ho a massage center ho na ono na nkase no okofa no de ahaban na to so no aseti bone ye e de ahaban to so amana to a enne eye na woda eye Dr. Michael se wura Dr. ba ho a ye friend Michael
Ajidin pa
awajidin pa wo bo adwuma pa enne Yankopon de afiba kon akanim fie ho enti ba nyina ye wish no happy birthday Michael Nyankopon enhyira na oma de wuye bia no emrem ewo Yesu de mo anopa wo beje Dr. Ba number ye didi dwuma ewo yaso ye na fe wudi wani a kire Dr. Ba ho na fe yen ya hwew ama hawo ne amane no nyina afiri wo so ama wo so wanya wo fa ahodie ye number ye didi dwuma no ye 0244 988 004 0244 988 004 and it was 0244 08 34 82 0244
0244 08 34 82.
Me pacha o hear Dr. Ba anopai ene dani nyina ye wo Kumase Atonsu Agogo Aban hospital na wa Atonsu Agogo na chi ana Dr. Ba yen ye wo afe enkran so ye was Spinters Road 18 junction so ubehu Dr. Ba ewo ho anopa me no watena se dani nyina mpanimfo se abasoba ene meja epai and ye koso ye tokoso border ro katra wo say Dr. Baya yaresabia ya bibidie abibidro adie ane ye dia ba emprempren me no wo kasai ewo Kumase ne enkran na dwumadi a ye die pa nipa bebre nim ye nipadua udompe ane wo kasai enwo asem dane dan ne nipa bebre awo haw ewo mu dompe mu esa se dompe wo nipa mu no obi o wa asase su bia ewo kasai ewo dompe ewo nipadua nim ana ye wo yade etimi kotreta nipa dompem enkwanhia etimi ma nipa dompe ho ka enti no ma mienu we nyina betimi ama wo dompe eho abasem na ho basem so esan se ka nipadua no ho a bo nipadua no ma nipadua no nya akobadie koba no se dompe no ho ka eye kwanhia na yade a na ma nipa no wato sini na afi ama dwumadie bi a wo se nka wodi nipadua no die no na afi abafom enu nti na Dr. Ba say sadie ye eha wutimi kodompe mu nipa bebere ka fom emma soli ekra na nante ho ye den mo mo emma nipa fa wa asase su nti odin haban akeka bomu amanyankopon de atom no se onfansa yade e wodompem ana ade enkwanhia amadompe ho aka enti na mi ni udi nkomo a ne ye ka kye wo se wanante akina bre na ye nkasai mu yade ana woni padua ne so a anida so ho se ubetu anamon na wodi wani akire Kumase Atonsu Ago anankran na waba ababaji adukan ai wo Dr. Ba so ye ho na ya na me pese wo hye ne nso se Dr. Ba onton aduro wo ba bia unra pharmacy shop bia nkohu Dr. Ba aduro unko drugstore bia nkohu Dr. Ba aduro e wo ho edie bentra esan se arthritis betibia ma kotodwa ho sasaburo betimi adi usa adwuma na bi eno ma bebere betimi ahaw enti diahin ena ye de hawo enu nti na Dr. Ba say wode upeto nura enye oya de na adu enti ubanom enko enti uba ya so ye ho a ye won fidie ho a ya ba nipadua de wuramu a eyi nipadua na kwa ni nyina beguso na akire ba bia yade ne wo na yi yade kro e de abre Dr. Ba de abeto nanim say pan na Dr. Ba hunu wi a afi wakoyi haban na yede sasa yade kro no ama yade na firi oni paduam enti obi obetu na mo aba Dr. Ba obi a ne yade enche ne ko ne yade enche ne ko enti maami ba ku bi na obre woni paduanum na ono ne de ne ye ne kotodwe na ye ne yapa but wo de tena asia bre ye mfiensie ko no nante akina bre nanso emre odi be hia Dr. Ba na wotwemienu pe maami ne bobusa Dr. Ba se Dr. Ada die na woye a machini mfie bensia ni me yade anko nanso wode na wotwemienu ama me ananka me kotodwe nti makadam sabi mi ntimi kura nante me nananom na kire me so omo TV bi wa Atonsu na TV no kire wo se eye Dr. Ba so eye ane ye boda wo se wudompe ene o kase sa e wo sompe ya nipa no hwe ama me ne ba ho a oba no na kire se ye kukuru no enye se ono akura timi sore nante nanso mra edi ahaban to so ekekere ye ma na duro ema ne koba ye na wotwemienu maame na ba no ne ye kura ye hunu sesa eye sa maame na enu nti se da bia ye ka che wo se Dr. Ba won kasa mu adura enyi na chini fisa se be mpanimfo se etuo wei enya chijinafo a netuo ne to yade bi e wo wiase senya na adura sɛdeɛ yade ne tie bia no ɛbɛkɔ afiri nipadua no efisɛ nyankopɔn bɔ nipa no ɛne twɛ na yɛ nyina yɛ kan no ɔse yɛ ni dua na ba ne fa aba ne nsa yade kyerɛ sɛ twɛ no kura nipa bɛ yade nyame nim sɛ nipa ba asase so ɛsɛ nnuane bi a yɛdie ɛne nneɛma bi a yɛ nti nipadua no yade bɛbam nanso sɛ yade ne ba mu a adeɛ wɔ sɛ wokɔfa ɛsa yade no ɛyɛ ahaban ɛno nti na tete no ne nananom ebi timi nya 150 years ebi timi nya 200 ebi timi nya sɛ wɔdidi wie no hu sɛ nneɛma bi nkɔ ya wɔwɔ ahaban bi a ɔbɛte a wɔde bɛka ne nipadua no ma saa nneɛma no afiri ne mu yɛwɔ ahaban bi kora hɔ nipa poison kɔ mu a ahaban no betumi akɔkra nneɛma nyinaa ma poison ungu afiri mu akɔ ne nyinaa yɛ de ɔbɔ adeɛ aka but wonim ɛho nimdeɛ anim nsuahu a wobɛhu ahaban ɛnso wobɛbu ani agu so wahwɛ akɔfa aduru abɛbɔ ama na wu ɛnu nti na Dr. Baase onkasa mu ɛyɛ ɔya titi obi deɛ ni kotodwe obi deɛ yɛ na apɔ so obi deɛ sasabra na agye ne nkasa abɔ so ɛna no pɛ yi bra yɛ hɔ wɔ ato nso akɔ nneɛmoa na nanteɛ bebree a wananteɛ ɛsan wɔ yadeɛ sasaborɔ ɛsan arthritis yadeɛ ɛsan nkasa mu ɔhaw ne amanneɛ nti wɔde nante no na afei yaboa wo ama dompe bia yadeɛ aba mu no afiri wo so ana afei nyankopɔn bɔ nipa ɔkyɛ dade nneɛma bi keka sɛ ɛmoa dompe no na dompe ni ntimi nyini ye ɛne wobɛhu obi ɔnante kakra firi ne dan mu na ɛba ne nan kyea kakra bi wobɛhu sɛ ne bɔn no ne dompe ne mu abu sɛ pen ɛsan sɛ ne dompe ne hunu ɛna hyɛ nipa ɛbɛtumi ama dompe ne nya nkwa ɛyɛ Dr. Ba enti wo ba yɛ wɔ ahaban aduru bi ɛde bɛma nipadua no akɔ mu na akɔbɔ dompe ne ho ban ayi yadeɛ a ɛwɔ dompem ama wɔn so wɔn kyerɛ wɔn enti anɔpa yi obi a na apɔ so obi a ne kotodwe yɛ ne ya obi a na chibrɛmo yɛ ne ya obi a ne sisi yɛ ne ya obi a na dwonko yɛ ne himbon ne yɛ ne ya ne nyinaa woka bɔ mu baabi a yɛka nyinaa yɛ dompe mienu ne kohyia enti na wote yawo enti bra dompe expert hɔ deɛ wonim dompe no ho adwuma yɛ no bra ne hɔ ɛna anɔpa yi ne mmoa wo na dompe mu yade a wodi akyini sɛbi yɛkɔ yɛ operation kora wo yam hyehye wo no oba Dr. Ba hɔ a ɛyɛ bibiduro sekai apasoɔ bibie nka ho ɛyɛ ahaban ane yɛde bɛtoto baabi a mfomsoɔ no ba baabi a yadeɛ no ba no na afei wo nso wanya mfa a wodie anɔpa yi me ne wodi nkɔmmɔ afa asikyire yadeɛ ho da bi yɛka asikyire yadeɛ no yɛka diabetes a nnipa bebree te hɔ a bebree yɛ fie bebree te hɔ a ɛnnɛ wɔnim koraa sɛ wɔanya saa sugar no ɔnkɔkyɛke koraa hwɛ ɛnso yɛdidie yɛ lifestyle nneɛma a yɛdidie tam yɛdidie nnuane a yɛ ne kɔfa saa nneɛma no ɛwɔ sɛ nipadua no sugar no wɔ nipadua no mu nanso aburo so a kɔfa asɛm de abrɛw enti kɔfa asɛm brɛw obi obi na ne honam yɛ ne basabasa obi na amana fon obi so bɛmu yɛ twa ne nan obi kuro bɛtu na ɛnkɔ ɛno na Dr. Baase ɛna no pɛ ya me ne wudi nkɔmɔ ibɔ mmɔden sɛ wodo maame wo nua no ba na sikyire na ne sugar ne da ne da nyire huri kɔ soro no ɛbɛba yɛ so nneɛma na bibiduro a ebetumi ama ne sugar na bɛtɔ baabi a ɛwɔ sɛ ɛtɔ ɛmɛ nipadua no ɛnya no fa ahodie ɛnɛ anɔpɛ me ka kyerɛ obi a ɔwɔ adwene mu hawo sɛ ɔmfa n'ani kyerɛ Dr. Ba hɔ ebi a oba bi wahyɛ ase ɛyɛ nneɛma bi ɛmfa kwa mu nyɛ saa na no ɔteɛ fa ne bra Dr. Ba na yɛnhwɛ no nneɛma na duro afei obi wɔ ɛyɛ twerɛ yadeɛ ɛno ɔno nso ɛtete no ɛno nso woba Dr. Ba hɔ a yɛbɛhwɛ wo ama saa ɛtwerɛ yadeɛ no afiri wo so afei obi deɛ yɛ kɔmpɔ ɛno nso woba Dr. Ba hɔ a saa kɔmpɔ no nyinaa no ɛbɛfiri nipadua no mu ama wo nso wanya mfa ahodie afei anɔpɛ obi deɛ ɔsɛ yɛ kuro ano no nso ɛtete ne na anɔpɛ ya ɛno nso woba Dr. Ba hɔ a ɛyɛ aban ɔsa na adi wo so akyɛ no yɛde bosome baako pɛ ɛbɛma kuro bi a wɔ yɛ mu ama nnɛ aduane tɔ yɛ mu a na wuwu ɛnnɛ woanidi a na asɛm aba wo nipa baako wodidi abue woanidi abue ɛyɛ yarebɔne ɛnso Dr. Baase ɔka kyerɛw sɛ obetu aseɛ ɛyɛ bosome ama ɔsa no afiri wo so enti na anɔpɛ yi deɛ meka kyerɛ mahwɛfoɔ ne matiefoɔ no sɛ ewiase no sɛ wonya adupa a woyɛ deɛ kɔntɛm ɛnu nti ne yɛkamfo ayaresabea papa ɛte sɛ Dr. Ba a yɛhwɛ nkurɔfoɔ hwɛ aburokyifoɔ ɛma adansidie ahodoɔ ɔkɔ soɔ no wopa yadeɛ bi a woni padua no adukuru ni padua no kopa down ma aba no ebi no
afiri hɔ
ɛyɛ 0244 988 004 0244 988 004 0244 08 34 82 0244 08 34 82 me pacho Dr. Ban Okumase Atonsu Agogo Government Hospital na wo na chi ana Dr. Bawo ana Carpenters Road 18 Junction ho e ho so behu Dr. Bawo ho anopai me sori akọ Dr. Batna se e wo Kumase Atonsu Agogo Ban Hospital na chi enkran so ya was Carpenters Road 18 Junction wo do yade ni nyina ba yen so ye bepoa e dia haban no atu yade ni nyina afiri so na wuhia de nipa bebre nim eye ba.
Okay, now we shall MC Asibu now say electric and command of pay no and of pay not just say no gusua ne sa mini aba no so every Tabita and so atnasi kama na Tabita there o comes infection center just obasu e honoma infection e ma no mamo ha mo kra ono yo ba be di ho nkomo but there be omba omu Iiadeakye ba kosi wo no maka ho asem mini aba ho te say bibi aboko and person de wani mu sisre na ye pa fasako laughter it's a therapy obi osre bia onya ne pa sre kakra me okay rabi ti alo pay
okay me din free Tabita clinic edema ya tiefo ene ya hwefo a omo hwe ende anope me de sa kwanya we ema ya papa for nom ene ya daddy nom happy Father's Day Sunday ye twa me ye di ye no na ope Tabita clinic echi akwanya oba Kumasi ye wo ahodo da ban Cindy's Junction uko Accra ye wo Medina Firestone Footbridge asie ho uko Siana ye wo New Doma Road Pastoral Junction ena uko Takrade so ye wo Airport Road opposite police quarters ehonom na ubehu ye upe ye number na onye di insan so a 0530 38 78 12 0530 38 78 12 and then anope Tabita clinic aba say ye no ba betwetwe nkomo afa chronic constipation ho obi be bisa say na chronic constipation kwa den na edeba obi enim constipation
Dofu chronic constipation no I am team na say I am team obu onuma otande yam 30 anamboa na chronic constipation obu awoti o aye so obobo bibi so nso ne yade na wo ka no o de chronic constipation just say the yam tired day 18 so was re obu an yam team titru mu ma no oba bi betime di Monday to Wednesday na onja ne nine ya grace asma me kamunim e ma obu a 4 days on call 4 days pressure minu aba aka no kre
3 months kre bi
obi timi tena obi a 1 week e ma no titru 1 week no nya ne nine so o di benku adi fufo se ya na eye maneo e fam ni padua mo enti asem kese no aboso no to obu ase wo se ayam tima etatena wo so che obu on man ne life nyina onyini ye the yam timwa just okono no munro bia nsa na yedai aba okoja na just another week ye ni bebre ne wo fie to obo na kire musa na chronic constipation na ebrofo I am tim kasa
bato me da say bacha no pe be kasa fa I am tim a atna wo so ache ebi di atna ne so be 3 months ebi di so ebro sa no be bisa say I am tim no den na edeba empempi na yem bebre na yenta enum nso bebre ebi so ho a ondi nduane a fiber wo ebi ti say sweet ana say fruit kra no ondi bi ɛna ebi so wɔ medical conditions bi te sɛ colon cancer ɛno na ɛhapene ɛwɔ yɛ nipadua no beebi a yɛgya yɛ nan bia na ɛhɔnom na saa problem na ɛden ɛba hɔnom ɛna mpɛmpin so no ebi wɔ hɔ ɔda eduro bi so bi te sɛ hypertension drugs anaasɛ mogyambroso eduro no ɛno no etimi ɛde ayemtimi a meka ho asɛm yɛ ɛtena nyimpa so kyɛ no etimi ɛde ba na saa ayemtim no ɛba wo so a den sunsuanso ɛna ɛbɛba wo nipadua mu ebi wɔ hɔ a ɔkɔtena agyanan bia bɛyɛ 15 to 10 minutes ana 10 minutes to 15 minutes no na ontimi njane na ɔbrɛ mpɛn bebree ansa na wetimi ayɛ agyanan nan ɛna sei no so wɔgya ne nan na mogya so yɛ ɛto aso a ɛde ba ɛna ebi so wɔ hɔ no mo so a ɛma wo agya wo tipaeɛ ɛna ɛma wo so ɛyɛ kɛseɛ esan sɛ eduane na wedi no ɛntimi yɛ ɛmba mbɔten na ɛtena wo nipadua no so no ɛtimi hyehyɛ ɛma wo yɛ woyɛ kɛseɛ ɛna ɛma wo yam so yɛ ɛyɛ wo ya saa ayemtim na akyerɛ wo so akyɛ no saa na ɛma wo nipadua no so a ɛyɛ ɛna mpɛmpin so no ɛma wuto beebi a agyanan bia no efiri ba no mpɛmpin no ɛhɔ no yɛ ɛho no asɛ mogya ɛbɛda hɔ no ma ɛho ayɛ aho no ɛna ɛma ɛhɔ nom so yɛ ɛyɛ wo ya ebi wɔ hɔ nom koraa ontimi yɛ ɛntena ase because of ayemtim na ayɛ aba no so no ɛna ebi so wɔ hɔ nom so a ɛma wo ntimi ngya wo nan tetem bia wo nama asɛ wo fili sɛ beebi a wo gya wo nan no asɛ gya nan ne ɛyɛ etim hɔ nom nti no wo fili yɛ comfortable ɛwɔ wo nipadua ne mu sɛnea mesi ɛkaayɛ no sɛ ya yɛntaa no mu nso no mɛsrɛ sɛ mpɛmpii no wobɛnu mu nsuo bebree wobɛdi nduane a fiber ɛyɛ ɛwom ɛna wayɛ exercise so kakra bi wɔ hɔ bi fa akɔkya ɔnsɔre da ɔtena na weifa ma me ɔnsɔre nti mɛsrɛ sɛ mpɛmpii no wobɛyɛ wobɛma mmɔden a ayɛ exercise kakra ɛno nso bɛtumi aboɔ ɛma ayemtim na atena wo so akyɛ na ɛde ɛbɛfiri wo so tabita clinic ɛde asɛmdɛ kɛseɛ ɛde brɛ wɛnda anɔpe Kumasi branch yɛ free screening ɛyɛ Friday yɛ be 20th of June yɛ free screening kɛseɛ pa ɛwɔ atasoma so market hɔ no ma obi bia otie me a ɔwɔ Kumasi ha bia obetumi etu anamo ɛyɛ on the 20th no aba atasoma so market hɔ no opposite Pentecost church hɔ no ma ɛhɔ nom na saa free screening kakaka ɛde ɛbɛkɔ so ɛwɔ ɛhɔ nom ɛyɛ 20th of June a ɛbɛyɛ ɛdɛ yɛ nimi wopɛ yɛ kyerɛ akwan a yɛwɔ ahododa aban Cindy Junction wokɔ Accra yɛwɔ Medina Firestone Footbridge aseɛ hɔ nom ɛna wokɔ Sunyane so a yɛwɔ New Doma Road Pastoral Junction ɛna wokɔ Takrade so a yɛwɔ Airport Ridge opposite police quarters hɔ no ɛhɔ nom ɛna wobɛhu Tabita clinic sɛ wo tie me ɛna no pɛ wo tie me a wo yɛ matim akyɛ a wo die chinchin a wo nya wayaresa no wo de ba Tabita clinic a yɛ bɛ show wo fɛ kwan so ama wo so wo ho ayɛ atɔ ɛnyɛ ɛno nko a na yɛhwɛ wɔ hɔ yɛhwɛ nyare bi te sɛ prostate ho yare bia sɛ ayɛ kɛseɛ sɛ ayɛ bia bi te sɛ gonorrhea syphilis wo de ba chlamydia wo de ba yɛbɛyɛ yɛbɛhwɛ wo typhoid wo de ba yɛbɛhwɛ wo diabetes atena wo so akyɛ a yɛka ne sɛ esitwe yare no wo de ba yɛbɛhwɛ wo hypertension wo de ba no so yɛ de yɛbɛhwɛ bɛrima ne ɔba mo aware akyɛ mo pɛ ba mo nyaayɛ no de ba yɛ so ɛyɛ wo no ma yɛbɛhwɛ ɛna bɛrima so a wo mpa godie so ayɛ de akɔ fam no wo de ba yɛ so ɛyɛ wo no ma Tabita clinic yɛbɛhwɛ no yɛahwɛ wɔ fɛ kwan so wopɛ yɛ kyerɛ akwan a yɛwɔ Kumasi ahododa aban Cindy Junction wokɔ Accra so a yɛwɔ Medina Firestone Footbridge aseɛ wɔ ɛna wokɔ Sunyane so a yɛwɔ New Doma Road Pastoral Junction ɛna Takrade so wobɛhu yɛwɔ Airport Road opposite police quarters ɛhɔ nom na wobɛhu yɛ wopɛ yɛ ahomatorofo na ɔne edi nkɔmɔ a 0530 38 78 12 0530 38
38
78
78
12
12.
we na enda no pay Tabita clinic e dey bro into wa wo Kumasi branch wa wo Kumasi fanan na yesi ye free screening Kumasi branch ye no atasoma so market one ma uba ube hu ye Friday ya ebe 20th June obi biara ne yare bia odi bebe bia Tabita clinic ye be hwe no ama no so afa ne ho e na ye dey bro and they anope.
Okay, na your friend say Osia I'm here on the compound. Okay, Osia na motening kind from Tabita clinic na. Nyaminka, enjoy your day and enjoy your week as well. All right, yeah, transfer free no more na anope. Mene akowia e wo fie ha no more. Na Dennis Akowia, Central Regional Communication Team member, NDC. Dennis will be joining me, and so is Nana J. Mabuna almost so Eddie Akotenepa Ewo Kasem Edeboa Wamo parties. Dennis, Chem and Trao a higher majority seat. Aha. A brave Nanka Hano ye MP before there. You see a higher modia. Mona more a majority. Nana J Bar no better. Okay. Now what to sing and pay? But I want me a mic and also I'm also green. Aha. You're kind of high tech.
Oh my, mommy, emfa opportunity and as I point out the amount is now mention with tea for no shop na say Sompa the platform I question.
That's right.
Binya akunya say ana e ni just na nkwa ho ahoden ho wo he senia Yera John Dramani Mahama oguso den toti yagu akwan ma ne ne kase ne timemfo nyina na ye hwe se odefo ana so obi ba be yi free ahokyere ne kodanda ne amane ane ewom ne Yera John Dramani Mahama wo hwe se ne mpempenso anema bo eba form kakra no efe ye te so o share eye ne promises o ka so obi meki
e je wo hu te sen no nko introduction no
o se o hu ya se o odwen o hu a
akoye nje o se wo
in society no man yema se mo a nyame ato mo nsem a mo so mo bibi kakra no
nyame ato Dennis anope obi Dennis jina ho ye wo be careful pa anope obi tie mi na obemam bibi a wo se nyame ato wan se abasa wakọ bank what was you telling us? That's almost cow. But your patch of so I would have my farm. Also, my tardy of a fight. I don't pay me on the phone. You hear me? I don't pay the phone. You hear me? Because your money be 20 million. We are not taxi. We are there. The old came over the park. That's on the lighter note anyway. Society no crowd will come for you.
Your words is even at stake because nipa bon for be quite near the
okay, yeah, sure ni Musa na J Subabe Kayensa, a Central Regional Communication Team member, son of Odino Kokuapia. I just say Oneno and Aqua Probe. Let's look at the issues. President Mahama unveils plan to feed SHS students. We have had issues in Ghana where we said, yeah, be a friend of buffer stock. Eko we are say won sembu bruja omo we supplies and e was say omo etimi supply bebre eko we are say na agric minister then Brian Champion ni omo ehia na NDC minority na danin to kwa muntu omo ka muntu as I speak with you there are a lot of suppliers crowd musika kodejo omo penny John mama say Ojidi say our locally grown rice it was said omutumi ye na ye feed the SHS and you know there are plans are afoot for the construction of a modern rice mill in our northeast region and no di hun komo afei oya boko enclave abaya security threat zone nipa bebre no na omo de car etu kwan attacks armed robbers di omo agim ene unannounced ambushing ni ade was directed as the commander-in-chief, directed Ghana Armed Forces said, Kabia, they should station, Kabia, Ekono, almost so they will escort them, said the Bear, a honor will be safe. After Ghana Revenue Authority for say, sir, 1 Ghana cedi fuel product, commodity to sono, they have postponed it until further notice. And until now on the 16th, Ghana for be here, will be soon sharing Senka, Omanhene John Dramani Mahama, signs our bill no on the certificate of agency no nanka kwako ede kwako base kaya di 1 Ghana beto every liter. So Ghana Revenue Authority say it has been postponed indefinitely. Not just say minority see they are vindicated. Say omoka say aban say ehun hia needless. That's the untold hardship beba. And no man your mama say the Iran-Israeli war, we are not immune from foreign issues. And you know, Ghanaians should brace themselves. Name will catch the finance minister and a Bank of Ghana governor said they should do everything possible to see to his gains ayenya ewo yesika dollar no at me at depreciating with the appreciation of the city. Any petrol is swatted because as I speak with you, almost about $7 to $8 and ababeka oil an international market epeja ni mu akwa na echo Iran Israel started to pay ebro omo ho na ho susanso no enra. We are told across the globe there were a lot of airline distractions planes be brilliant to me and to no ne ade Joma pen Joma say eno so abed anopenam near Collins kasa o sini wadwiri so Omanhene Joma e ka say we san say Omanhene Joma omo kan COVID in Ukraine Russia war say na Montimi fair no man be excuse. Why is he also talking about it now? NSC Attorney General they about to just say ghost names of about 82,000. Ababa a friend gift you are deputy NSS director and the 9,934 ghost names and no defa or mine sika. Otimi jina so kwa de koji a loan of 30 million Ghana cedis from a bank. Omo fi say omo ye hwehwe mu nipa dumienu and omo ho abeda dwam companies ben so a omo ye supplies omo ne national service. Era SSB otwa mu Mustafa no so twa mu ne regional directors ne regional accountants bebre and then they are both in charge of IT and yes you share omu and near mem. These are many more this morning on discussion. I could be a free honor on the issue of the GRA postponement and on a bread and butter. I know I postpone indefinitely. If you must say why even did he do it the first time? Why you know why this knee-jerk reaction? Mami too.
Oh share enyinam kania ho nsema Iiadeakye Abia so be say wutimi tumpon a very key Iiadeakye ho hia pa na Ghana for some time now da bia abaya ba da bia ade ba akwa krankro aba beto ye so a da bia nyina yesu bob na wo ho enyinam ho den ho nsem. That's right. Intino oh share era John Dramani Mahama na abaya na edi kan na sa challenge here there wo the friend legacy debt no and na generational capacity so ya dey lose and with time no so na you move away from hydroelectric power to thermal energy and the behia fan wo ne niema so nku bi dia power ye betimi ama ye nkania na dey gina so. That's right. It's no e ba sa no kaya or the niema bi gu akwam say or the power plants do na ye den e ba to mitigate the problem. That's right. And na a council e da ho no ya dey into the Esla 2 years there by within some period. I think say about infienu. Zika infienu mechi na nka enye ya de. Ye tua ye kan dodo na enye ye hwan ye de ahen han. That's right. Na so ye sha fofi antwata na yera John Dramani Mahama. Ye Ghana for ye de. Esesa no na yera Akufo-Addo ye de buy. Now no me carry from the Ministry of Finance. According to mpanimfo Esla 2 yera John Mahama de buy ya NPP4 in opposition almost say to etuo kodi ewu a emwa na komo bampo ombetwam oma etwam and omo extended duration from 5 years e dey call 15 years and so ho omo san de kosi awawa ekokwaje bosia nti no sika no accumulate about 33 masses nanka are ho sen ka bia nkwaji sika nyina sen ka betimi dey ade etu aka no so now so ye sha SML contract in sense ya yewura Kenuforiata former finance minister ne ho aka adwam a yesusu se wa ayo mine sika basabasa bi no ya kaya na anu ya about 720 million Ghana cedis according to KPMG reporter, you were President Akufo-Addo, former president. Share almost all money. Almost say as like Sika say, young farm one and can in
Infantia
Yakam, and no bina MPP for penny for no money ATM companies or Mangaza air beneficiary. It's Usha Sa challenge ya, and then now Dr. Kizelato Force or say a capital a dire energy sector, $3 billion. What you say? Saka that we say, when you don't know when she are, one more, and I'm canny, almost like I say, yeah, day. Yeah, ma crime I won the wound, and Tekobasa say, ma business society. A coffee, ma, woman, almost to me, a young canny to produce a lot of, commodities about Wamatim for some Tom, almost on my day, or my relaxing. Until we've gotten to a point, I will say, it's me be different. Now it's me the fight problem no once and for all. It's way now, Yera, Kisela for force and yeah, the core parliament, I can't once a man, MPP for say. Omodi Omun say any day. Mwa. Mesha, you know, they postponed it. People were saying Zenka, there should have been a lot of stakeholder consultation which is key because Nipe Bias all the policy for be the air ban as all the other for be bar. I was a witty the Timemufon so yede. Eka. I was a witty the Uncle Kunuma the Eka was what technical as a moment so because I didn't answer when you're the any of our trip. And I believe, say, that consultation here, the course before the implementation, the passing of the levy. But if and say she saw best what necessary day, who will review the forefront why day, why in the strong could be a kaya era, a former president, the lead, Flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rollins, not me and that Eddie kind. Emerald day, but at 1 year the air by a kite see. Nipa craft and mushroom, and also what lunch and day. As the son near myself, obeying ye. It's way Abaya era John Dramani Mahama. Say, and yes, let's do a broader consultation near your day. Yen chen so na ye who send me a choir and I said, die bed.
Some people are also of the view, say, because of the international market, prices are cost no. Say, Abaya de Betoso, and I just say, the next window, which is pricing. Of the petroleum by deregulation Abia, it is expected to say Abia petrol bet me a cost because of the international fight anything about
one of the key also social stakeholder consultation no more na me share from the letter na GRE for a release no more state the exact reason why and that
we can deduce
but wait me I deduce say and we believe say it all has an impact on the oil prices in the world. What I say, and I say world market price and so cost now also say Kobasi say currency and I say we see come say near what they soon could be a bit in the DSC near Kobasa na ama agency and I share Yera Kiselato Forcing, Dr. Kiselato Forcing, on a Dr. Johnson, the Sia man in penny for the shares from Kwam with your Gua Yera Samijan Film Gold Board in the air Boama. Yes, you know, and Yahoo, I mean, them were can say, even if we impose that one Ghana levy now, it would not really have a lot of impact on the Ghanaian people because although we believe say fuel prices will continue to reduce, it is say if they very reduce, that's what the once in the bar, it will just cushion that way now saying Kayade. Eban, it's say in penny for some more no much chance no matter and what I think say. Enye boni media me hu say ni yiem ni yin na ye de ye pe no na ye ra John Dramani Mahama ene ne panifo ye nye ya adwe say bi e pese ye asobracha na say ye de timenfo be kan ye nye de ye nti because o kai a o man emra na 11 ne ba no panifo kan won sem sa o ye former deputy finance minister seka o say ye nti obi a we will pass it whether they like it or not ene se mo be sun o se mo be do ene nti se odogu bi ye de enu abe ye be koso aye dey implement but we share Yera John Dramani Mahama ne Dr. Kiselato Force ne NDC aban for yaba aban ya is a listening government timemufo na agin ye ankasa ye mfa ye pe because ye nim say timemufo na wo somo mo so tie omo consensus NDC party na akasa no a social democratic party which means that timemufo na agin na de bia ye de ye je ne ye ye niema nti no I think say a good call na the mestre aban no say koba say ye koye stakeholder conversation na say I was see yetimi ema niema ejina ana say yetimi te sompo na eba from lower than the sa one city that was say ye tua na se no na timemufo pani e betimi ayi bia fa ho a ye nya ne saa nya den emma o na wo mo hen ha o because o mo hen ha o mo na se ekoba se obeji 2 series for a different year enya de e be dey e be hard nti me I believe say the government is still on course abayi egusua toto ne ma se de be ya timemufo nyina be de e be to o mti ekoba se omo the final day a ye be implement eba out na se ya antesumpo a eye adesrede ene ye de ma timemufo se ye sre omo se nkamia na engina so a wo ku store wo nyama be ye wonam nyama nyina wonam be ye de ebe sei wo a wo so kọ asopiti na nka wo hwe wa hoodin ana sese no okọ a wontimi nya de enye se mpo se ye ji wonu bi to hospital na wo se ye ne surgery ana se ye de mfidia aso enya de ebe de ebe yi nti adesrede ne ye de setimemfo ze sa one Ghana lady ya Yera, Dr. Kisela.
I won't say Besabana because it's been postponed indefinitely.
It's true, but I believe say.
To Uvi say a broader consultation until
exactly. Broader consultation can mean say it can even be reduced.
Okay.
Say a bit say almost specific time frame on what the bed
implementing. Okay.
Maybe one is there.
You don't see say Yamane bye bye.
I'm not so sure. Maybe in my view, I'm not so sure because I say Yamane bye bye and then say a compare at this room could be a year the better council.
Okay.
And
I'm going to say Canada was it. But the how is now the problem.
So proposal for the aba. Yen na ye bonjo so said the pen on them mo share nipa na same penny for sell musi to niema eboa. I think say was here the support na niema de ekwe because abai ba and transport first ya to so 15. What you say? And on dan chen Yera John Dramani Mahama o ka se oba eye yemma anase yenu anon keto omo wie SHS omo pese omo to omo adisua so call omo anima omo pese omo ba university first years obetua wo first year fees na dey am omo na me kan mpanimfo say nipa about 98,000 aye dey apply ya emu 22,000 ya validate ya enche dey omo sika be dey ebe mo omo eno nda nchen aban yi ya ba Yera John Dramani Mahama o ka se yare kwan ko bebre wo ha ne kwan ya na akwakwa edibie wo ho empo se okọ na se okọ akọpe ayarisha ye ka se first cabra na se ebia na 7 producer we need taku na se simple because ka no so ebia na ye de eso into o share boso oba o de eye Mahama case na se Ghana Medical Trust Fund de be de ebeba ampa so oba Yera John Dramani Mahama o de se aye de ayoyo ono akasa ni sika mpa e wo se ye de ma no as ni salary no wa donate him also donate him 6 months to support surgeon and then aban ba ye share the prices are the way and say so kind of inflation now and then we've recorded the lowest inflation in the last 3 years
18
into say we share 18% say we share sa niema sonku ya Yera John Dramani Mahama na ba die gu akwema e ya de a mimi susu se be de be boa mo man na de etumpon na no say na eye one Ghana levy. There is a video on my phone now. Eye Yankasa Yera after your marking minority leader. He was saying that you can politicize certain things, but as I share the state and war as a country, and they and you know some now say your money here some. You know they should put away partisanship. Na ye the yen support na sa one Ghana levy ye de. Yemwa where ye MPP for Ankasa penny for more parliament. One, you know, and yet the Biana, I was say a chance in Bias, Renia Bassa, never the former Basse, Abia, a Yamanrosim. Say a doom paya, I was say, ye taking credit card decisions that it will be in the interest of the country. About Ama or mine to me, I found into my pair friend. Uncle, you met me, I there, Akos, about Wama. Woman so a year, Bibika Kaka, Komuya Buja, Umbenyan, Kamiana, or Metimidi, Aye, Juma. I was seeing in idea support.
Or the same energy. What do you say to those who are saying Omanhene Mama should be the last person to talk about Iran-Israel war? Telling Ghanaians to brace themselves because we are not immune to the shocks of the international community. And many honorable Collins, very good. I say he's the last person that was being and no cancer we cry. No, they only they are there, but Omanhene Yaw Mama Jina simply to catch Ghana for say Ukraine Russia war yes about Ghana's economy. It is a company ever cast a Ghana for CC who say we can also have that shocker. Also no what you know.
Oh my say offer amemu a ye oniema mienu ade bia eye key e wa amemu ye wo internal factor and ye wo exogenous factor can say
External.
External factor. Now Yera John Dramani Mahama, he is aware of say always there can be an internal factor or there can be an exogenous factor. So okay, na ba ya na edi kan na. Maybe cocoa bo any fuel any like cocoa bo any niema na export no. E bo no so ti hwi e ma na say ofa free Omanhene say okwa koton a unya hwe. That was also an external challenger NDC aban a etwem ye de ye face. It no ye NDC aban de we believe that external factors are there. But say nipa bia wo ho na say wo bobra ye wade bi e friend proactiveness. Won try ma bibi nya dey emba ansana wakakopɛ ho nsiano na so wakakopɛ duru a wo de be de ebe sa oyare ntina de bi e ka say potoka say mabrofo na ka say prevention is better than cure. Say uhu say crisis bi is looming and I say niema bi e ba e bi ebetime de ahokyere bi aba beto manfo so a wo say wotimi ye dey e dwen hye kan na wo pɛ ekwan a wo betimi ye dey asolve problem na e ma meto timamufo so.
Okay.
Nti asema ye honorable MP kaide me de me ne nya adwen we believe say external factors are there but osha enya de bia na wo say o blame external factors. There are certain things that can happen but betimi take pragmatic steps bia e betimi am fight the problem. So share COVID-19 as in here we all believe say COVID was a global problem it affects countries all over.
Okay.
Just say o share insunsuanso we have on oman so a have insunsuanso boni on oman bi so eche bi o share oman Ghana COVID-19 ba ye nyina ye kai ye po de ye fa bu fili oman yet say oman must say COVID by IMF for am I $2 billion. Bank of Ghana for omo ka say omo share crisis na e wo no omo pese omo timi de niam agu akwan ma timamufo ho be dey ebe ha ho omo print sika 10 billion Ghana cedis oman and on dan chen European Bank for this guy dey ebreye yes the COVID-19 tax dey e buy international communities and other donors at the IPPs ne niam bebe PPA and sa niam bebe dey e ba to support us what yes e ko ba dey say e ko wi ase offer maami bi a friend Felicia Tita on na Northern Vice Chairman for NPP. I not say parliamentary candidate for Sadinari. As I'm on mega chance of mine, COVID-19 sika na yesen ke yantimi fan to na yare kodiewu ababeto timem for so yefan show mo. And no na no mo che ne sen ka tie no mpo no ye parliamentary candidate.
Onya 1 billion.
Onya 1 billion. Ono kon ya 1 billion. O se constituency executives ye dey. Enya bi. Obia ye dey. Enya no share. Nti if say yare kodiewu bi ana say external factor bi na asika wo betimi dia abo man ho bra no wo che e ma wo parliamentary candidate mamudi esai na I think say yade ye dey ebe hadwen eno ndan chen wo hwe challenges or more can once in a year unim say you are having a challenge with regards to COVID-19 yard the also we yan say protocol you will be a friend austerity measures.
That's right.
Also we are very austere with regards to resources and as
you cut down opulence.
Oh one NPP aban o man ye kai say enche niam na omo ye no na akwakoye ze Arabian king bia ono de o live life extravagance because you share send na niam si kwa untimi kan che me say you prioritize an expenditure about $58 million say okwa kwesi asori dan e wa bra na say ska no bit media e before framatimem for one day
okay
atom o share challenges are ye face and I say woman NPP 424 EDB ma kwa kujina sem bibia ye toto oma no ye wura ekunfia sky train say ye ba be ye ketechi ama na fa wiem so ko bia ye kotua
$2 million.
$2 million enye sika keto oma sika ye bobɔ so nanso ekowia se na akwa ye frakadam ye hu ne kokosi wo hwe eye kwalugumet purpose dama hwe sika dodo etu about $12 million ye tua sika okwabani ayede adi sika no ayede wedi wanya adwuma no na metie the minister for youth yera governance agboja I don't know if I had the name
governance
asama na okan say India ni bi ama ne $30 million say wonye kwan e kwan na oye no waye 1% na ese se ma kwan say ye na so oye 1% na age $30 million na ese say wonye nti te wo hwe the mismanagement course in the era na ye believe is a crisis. It shows that na ye adwen say pese ye dey. Ye free sa crisis. Na no dan chen. Wo share time NDC aban ye say there is going to be a big challenge at air banting and carbine no enye na omonko IMF na nka ye nkonya mo antem se de be betimi a solve problem na enkoba se ye be so blame you o man dey no mo kan o mo ka kire se for de munima ne IMF na mpo IMF no 77 producer se wunni ma mamu ana se adwen a ye di bu man mu o man ne bi ni utrima na wo ye dey ko IMF mi wa se wo hye nsema mpanimfo omunim de te se Dr. Kisilato force ne wo omunim economics nsem kan se enkomonya de omunko IMF se enkomonko as at that time
and say isibe of the even MPP fold
if say they have
called on them in February
se enkomonko as at that time nke bia nkasa challenge na ye face na anya de ama intino me de nipa me believe say I was there de bia we proactive on train ma niam bi nya de emba nsa na why de wa be complain si yera John Dramani Mahama wo hwe de oye ya kokobo ena efutuo na odema Dr. Kisilato.
But then if you believe say external shocks can hurt us, why were you finding it difficult to believe MP?
Oh my, and you say now you were finding it difficult to believe, but the it didn't even show that they were ready to fight that challenge. Oh my, because if say oh have a external challenge, what is your mind?
Okay.
Now offer luxurious aircraft. Team move for no money in your day. Engine.
Okay.
When you say we have an external challenge. Now, Sika, when they acquire 6 match and a billions of cities. And I get him for any day. Ebejon, say, who have a, external factor. Now, on ye, also Ghana for they should tighten their belt. Name of wood, who could you wear be a man at the Okakra? We share boarding our day. Offer, share COVID-19 time, or my Sokaya. Sputnik V contract. And I think that it is part of the cases that Ora for I can't want them. Sharia who say Yari could ye woo bar. Obia pepper your bit me after so I day. I solve it na crisis na day. Ako Sputnik V. A drana a year $9. A former Minister for Health. Honorable Kwajima man. According to reporters of Moaman on any idea buy. A drana so on $9, no ton $19 na. Middleman for the affair trinity and your mojia. Dubai ni abranti ni ya wine ni the ide ama no no so ide akwakodi it is a wo share sa chronofita ye course at the time and that sa external challenge no ho na it shows that unya wadwin poso person we ye de we ye bibi so nko bi ye de fight that problem answer that can you are facing intermediate I believe say Yera John Dramani Mahama or two Dr. Kisilato force many the
there's a situation of COVID anyway, not a difference.
It doesn't even tally at all because COVID-19, she sika de bro man Ghana. And yes, kaketwa COVID oh she sika do na na finance minister.
But it still remains say my Benny your mama say external shocks. Ghana, we should brace ourselves. Iran Israel war no e betimi affect ye.
External shocks ne de na maka say he believes it. And American state is there. And yes, we don't believe in external shocks. And American state is there. Yeah, John Dramani Mahama. Now, by any kind. Share. I want you to come. Near my different mining with the core. Am I also called exports? Exports. A bonus to say she. Yeah, John Dramani Mahama time. Say, Yare, could you war Ebola? Bye. What you say now? She finding ways a bit me a day. I fight it. And no problem. You say this can be a bread. John Mahama said the COVID-19 Sika de. Because now finance minister call parliament. So I say Sika bebro 30 billion Ghana cedis no yede. Onyai as a result of COVID-19. Now when the expenditure and I say the omuyuzi now almost spend about 17 billion we say visa. Until we share now no more can no. Eka ebebro 12 billion. 12 billion sir. Say everyone say what the car. Now what the car bear 5,000 Ghana cedis. No, be about about 10,000. So which you have 5,000 now. Say still now you are better off. It's no say what's uncle complain say still now what you just say 1 to 2 near me.
Okay.
See media the mechanic say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama any NDC Abia. O share near my ye gu akwema ibusu ye promises do a case ye be amatim for why dey. Aha omo ye promises ye ba a year dollar in sense me be ma see deny the ejina brand na wo mo kra near ma free amano ne bagan no ho atom enne Yera Kisilato forcing, what's me idea? Aye, ye can see a bar, a year full of prizes. Ye be buana a buana for pa fuel ananu ya enwe ya ne to bi anda yewra president Akufo-Addo about 17 Ghana cedis a liter no and then eso ati say she about 12 amate say enche krebo ne be saide akofom bi say wo hwe mpempenso a niam abo kɔ soro a and then inflation na 18%.
Okay. That is a cool we are not telling Kano. Nana J. Akwaba.
Major so my
What's all Mike? No. Okay. Mamintiu and pay on the issue of the of 1 Ghana levy on litter, and then Omapeni John Mama talking about external shocks that can affect us, but they will weather the storm. And then we'll also look at issues that have to do with plans to feed senior high schools with the construction of a modern rice mill, and then the NSS scandal also. Mamintiu.
Senior Meda was a member of Kenya Weso. Naminchia, the former president of the Republic, Nana Adudankwa Akufo-Addo. Naminchia, the former first class vice president, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Naminchia, Naminchia, the former chief of staff of the Republic, Mami Akusio Fremo Pare. So lawyer Justin Kodia Frempon Kodia, General Maminchia, General Baby or na face me amadi na chairman of the Hoku Apia Kuka. Mami Enchian pa over the weekends na mene mira o Cape Coast.
Kachen say ya on show me why.
Ono prawati. But TV or she.
Kachen. So Timia. Asa bi hwani be bia mi hunu wi ase. Yo wasumu ati edu Cape Coast so na yo Mahama sendru ho akodum honkane honum nyina yesu ti me tro se Cape Coast is dark nti se ye betina fidie no so na ye bekase o aya banda da na otwemu no ujai kai ntina ye kofa ye 1 Ghana ye levy bidi abeto Ghana for so a na matina tin ma bisa ho se anaso send this communicators say I am offering him no ba radio so ni TV so at times I am in tioma say because oka eka na okofa tax na ba. The issue is abaya ye Nana Adudankwa Akufo-Addo abaya in era ba omi abaya omo ba 2017 oman na almost 2.5 billion debt and then the energy sector so ukaipa almost 2.5 billion dollars. But yet, Nana Adudankwa Akufo-Addo ni era ba omia omo manage the energy sector to keep the lights on for 8 years omo betina so. Iti baby no mo bedum no me nsiesie no ma catch you say ye dum ni ayede esiesie omo wi a no ma say ntweja tum. This is MPP for you. Yan kan kire Ghana for so omo kofa dum so levy bra. No. Yan kan kire Ghana for so omo kofa dum so levy bra na even keep the light on. It is eka sa communication munyaika because mo can na Ghana for before. Ghana for before in a sense say onyonko betena so 8 years obeto kan bi ho e kan mpo no na ya wo nyoma bone a wo ye good the energy ministry obeto ye o sign take or pay agreement ahodo nkane an ye yusu e be den e be tuaka yo mahama momo first one no enioma oye wo krom ha e my ball my waker but yet Nana Akufo-Addo ni Dr. Bawumia Mpaba oman kasa nye dede omo manage the energy sector and a Ghana fo nyankane e di je eye omnyuma itienei wo bai house o abai no ko e na wo de refi sell abai no so wo ba no obetoka but abai ni essence o wonim de ye de bua on mind o make sure say o ye dey o keep the light on my business is here dey in movie it na nya won say na eye FDI na Ghana pa na ba okruma because of eye sikasem yenyina mahode na ede ejina eye ne nan so it is a wobet na na mbakika o eka nti ye kofa 1 Ghana eye CD levy aba eye bon na ndisi fu abon bon mabon nyenye te asamtintim ye bon mabon say
o mabon in a sense say onyanko anfa di levy ama o yet on manage keep the light on
itika wo ne papa mu a ahombrase no bisa eye mampani ne mampani abedi chiro mu twem ne say mo ye den but journey ahomaso iti mo nkonko bisa but de biara da mo bedum Ghana fo Ghana iti ene ama MPP fu adibem a ye ka kire Ghana fo say se mokoto abama NDC fu a omo de dum so be ye den ebeba en MPP ye dibem because omo ba in Kanye ne dum since omo ba ye betena so be pin same e dey nesi because yes President Mahama energy minister over here George Napo ebe ka say oh aka 5 hours na Kanye ni na dey e ko e na si bo e ye den aka 5 hours ye kwoti ya mo si o MPP fu antofu o ma o kan komo no ya antofu but 5 hours ni twemu na nsa twemu na wotwe twemu na Kanye ni gutu jira so nti ya ye say dum so na NDC for ba omo de ye business omo nye sika gu omo boto because e ba here no energy minister na kasa aka 5 hours no ena ntempa aban ne kasa ma for so su kwache eni jo Mahama Yaw e ka say omo akwakoto ayefu wala hodo a ebe avert the looming crisis ahead so guy President Mahama mo iti makasa asem we nyina mo se mo yi sade makoto fango e yi sade we nyina free ho eye den na still Ghana for ye experience dum so and yes an ko tie wo mu bi o mo se o ai West Africa gas pipeline for omo ye maintenance and you yate ye de no be ye de ebe mamu obi ade ni be hunu say omo ye maintenance na mo se omo ye maintenance ni wi a I think February or March ending bibia be ye de ebe free on mo in Kenya ni be gina so omo wie ye maintenance no still in Kenya ni dum e de asemo and ye ko bisa say minister e de asem o ka chen say West Africa gas pipeline for mo wi a in Kenya ni be gina so peme ne e de asem and no say kura de aka 2.6 days minim say no super working no 2.6 days na Kenya e wo Ghana nyina ye den akọ off because he need a fango eni e ko tie mu as ai say de wakoto crude ni bia den aba wakoto crude ni bia ba Kenya ne be de e ba be gina so ena minister ya ba asante memu na wo say ni experience ni gidi pa ena oba no so me wie asante Kenya le gina so asante e peme na Kenya na sha say ye de e dum bio ena say minister aden minister ni ena o ka tell say kwa de bi na di dum so na ye de aba na say aba it is obetumi aba bie wa no ka tell say kwa de bi na di dum so aba de a then wo te akunya no so ye de because aban bi tena so no na kwa de bi wo krom ha wo na mbete wo krom ha it he de na ba ka tell say kwa de bi na di dum so ba na say ya kura de mo so owo de eye dum so aba wo eye etweso ne poto mo it ye ko tena se bisa minister na o say okay say no senye kwa de bi enye owo ene nyoma na de aba ndia then yentua eye wangana city ma no na ofa kotofu emra sene nkane de bi tina ene ese minister asema wo kenti eye wo de wone president mama asema mo ka che Ghana fu eye mo de enye na anu ya na wotwe fense boso me mienu ena mo pagya electricity buo mo by 14.75% wo running na 15% ena wo tu mu eye na say na wo kan ena wo ka che say eto na wo tum no wo be make sure say nkane an be dey e be gina so na one Ghana cedi levy every na mo ka che say o ye dey dum so levy ne ba na ye be nya nkane ena kai mi 2012 2013 14 15 16 say president mama obe kai na emra Ghana experience dum so bebre ewo eye na apen so o ka che Ghana for say ye pese ye nya nkane a ye dey ye ntua sika bebre so my okay ye tua sika no ye nyankane ano ye nyankane ano iti enei sa kasa ye ka ne nei se muntua sika bebre muntua se no munkane ano be gina so no ye tibi way back 2013 2014 yet president mama ne NDC for no o mentumi ama ye nkane a enade e wo mu a mimi nie ni da so wo NDC aban mu ne se o man sankrofo na odi omubu man no 2013, 2014, 2015 no. Sankrofo ya no di omubu man. And John Jinapo was the then deputy energy minister. Okay. The then deputy energy minister. And ne wona wo kasa bebrebe wo krom ha. say yamfa a friend say na wo de wonim energy hu nsem nyina in opposition John Jinapo wo call energy school no wo wie ne bubu school dan ne nyina egu ye iti wa ben seja na president mama say kokot na ho na fix my and then yekoda sorry ya o say ohia 1.1 or 1.2 billion dollars e dey akokra e fango aba yes my goodness iti die mobile ye betumi aye ne sa we na mobaba be iti Ghana frontier say president mama ne nkrofo no ye bon no mabon omunim amamuo and also energy minister no wo ho no oye talkatives. In fact, President Mama appointed talkatives as ministers. Kasankwa. Hey, adechi abaku su, adechi abaku kasa bebre ewukruma. Talkatives in government. It's a name almost say the Iran any events Israel. Omai wo de betina krom ha. We abehu Iran and Israel level kroma. Because
Iran and Israel.
Yes,
how?
because President Mama would come out hint. Say Ghana here in new about this a friend from this a word a friend saying it is a workers as I'm natural meaning self kofa
the recent gains that
but President Mama no we me one because no we me one in the sense say when I catch a kufa do say COVID don't do me for COVID and me here just taking just gas and I'm on my new day and now would say external factor to me more my way on children and then the communicators no more just add any d Yankupon hu omomobo munga say amen somebody Yankupon hu mobo because I do dan kwaku for do tiswo COVID ba ye o kan won say e dia ho kira betu wiase even e wiase nyina ka say COVID dia ho kira den aba musi da ye kufuado
petroleum prices and prepare
musi da e kufuado any Dr. Baumia and akofa ho kira na ba muso pa
let's listen to exactly what he said. Yeah, let's hear.
Economy and in stabilizing the economy, Ghana is not immune from the shocks of global events. Recent events in the Middle East, which involve an exchange of missiles between Israel and Iran, have started to escalate crude oil prices dramatically. I've asked our Minister of Finance and Minister of Energy to keep a close eye on the development and model the possible impacts on our petroleum prices and prepare measures to protect the recent gains that we have made.
Nyame owabu chere. Nyame won to boase dodo. Won nsama wotena ogina ho awoke. Ekekufa do neteswa. Kabadi sa mo ne communicators. O ma so ado da kwa ekufa do. Be from wo krom ha. Kan sama kesi ato ekufa do so. But na wo de 2 days ya Iran ni Israel to bomb do. And now we did wo krom hai. But
it's not a fact. He's telling us so that maybe we will also catch a finance and energy. So monitor na dollar na bar from na ama petrol na bar from near. I don't know. Enkoba say he's been proactive.
Russia and Ukraine ebaye. Asame no mokai. Omo katre say baby Russia kura won Ukraine wono. Bomb na ye den omo kura kuro no bomb na kwa omo kuro no so omo economy yeye na ye te Ghana President Mama ne communicators say bomb no ebi meto Ghana ha ye den na Kufuado Iran so bomb no ebi meto high and what be say be beto Iran Israel ye ben omo we President Mama misima ne nkasa asem we kura biem wonya ma ne communicators because Russia and Ukraine war even Russia and Ukraine hwe Ghana yenye free ho fly isama hodro aye free ho just check and no crampon in somewhere you can't mo kato Kufuado so from President Mama wona wakasa asem we Iran ni event saying Israel bomb na bi meto hayo omo fa plane bia metwa mu Ghana na Ghana ayeyi mo born ma bon ti na mutumi nya sade we born ma bon en sama mo kagu Kufuado so Russia and Ukraine mo say Russia men Ghana wo baby Ukraine so men Ghana wo baby no mo mpo mo tutu bomb no economy yeye yeso ye men Israel ye men Iran wo baby economy no mo amahu say ebesi ni trase President Mama no onim ono President Mama no onim amamu
onim say economy besi ni trase
oh yes eti na ode kwa kwhye na mo bi amfa kwhye NDC communicated bi ode ba kwa kwhye bia na minim here wo baby ofri awo
the Ghana Statistical Service says the economy is bouncing back. with 18% inflation.
ɛna president mama no
GDP 5.3.
president mama no kyerɛkyerɛ mu sɛ atorankyɛm bɛba wahu and ɔno no nim sɛ wɔntumi nya ho hwee ne finance minister ne ne energy minister ɔmontumi nya ho hwee talkatives
Also, I'm monitor it.
ɔntumi nya hwee sɛ ɔta sɛ ɛti ghanafoɔ no yɛmmɔ mpaeɛ because president mama ne yɛde ayi akɔma no ka ɔman no da autopilot o president mama nyɛ ade papa bi a wokuro wei mu ɔman no da autopilot ɛno ɔman no sɛ noa no sɛ ɛɛkɔ ɛnkyɛn na ohu sɛ atorankyɛm bi ɛsi wɔ ɛyɛ kuro foforɔ so no ɛna wɔbɛtena ghana ha aka kyerɛ yɛn sɛ ɛbɛtumi ayɛ den aha ɔman wei economy and president mama te asɛ sɛ deɛ nsɛm a woka kyerɛ Akufo-Addo no mekonya adagyeɛ na mapaile ne nyinaa gu hɔ na mede aba kyerɛ sɛ nka yɛmmra na Russia ne Ukraine ko mmra na covid yɛ ne ɛkɔ and wotie wɔ mu a na ɔmabɛtena radio so covid baayɛ munya sika na sika World Bank say, "Oh, you're satisfied with our Ghana here? They spend this called the brain." And also, what can say? More this before you can say the amopebia, but yeah, MP before you prioritize Ghana phone than a hit cow. You make sure say Ghana for a bit nancy, young quantum because tell me, about buying the warrior say it takes only Italy. A pair any Jessica Pudo and demand businesses. Ghana buying HAP. Ghana banyebi president mama teso ubeka Ebola dum so ne ade even kra dum so ba ye kra incentives package be na mode ma e Ghanaian businesses e okuba but yet munya daje no maka covid sika ni ye de ma Ghana for nti so be sha bibi ba ya ne friend NBSS
yeah
ho na 2000 e 5000 e 10000 na beto accounts mu yes fire wadwuma one ko apply at sika ne mama metum bebo and me na neje na me midimani ede ehunu na me kra me apply bi ma eyen crofo. This is what the government, the interventions are buying ede ede. Tell me West Africa aban men na the interventions are go from during the COVID period China na do dan ko Akufo-Addo na ma betina ha ba betoto ayampia se o ai Akufo-Addo onne no crofo ekoko diska ye de share Ghana for na ye de share Ghana.
Wrap it up, mommy.
It is say, Abaya Mutisu, we are incompetent. Moon to me, yo, Mr. My own to me, yeah.
But Ghanaians say they are satisfied. Musa Dankwade research by I'll say about 68% of Ghanaians are thumbing up His Excellency.
What's a baby?
TCA.
What's a baby? And they are two about President Mama 3.
Hey!
Yes!
3, that's right.
Now, who walk fire a year if it's a D-levy by? Tio,
D-levy postponing.
Ebeba. Mini anubisan say, say, no, yoka. Omon cancel you. Almost so much when you momo radi, ebeba. Na sadie no, omai said they who use 10 liters of fuel, 10 liters petrol now. President Mama, instant owner, or you know what, 10 cities. Bisa truck drivers, omo sales.
Okay.
Sales a day. Truck drivers no. A bit of one bear 30 to 40 liters. Instant. President Mama yire omaje 30, 40 cities instant. But yet Omukofu we no preach against E-levy. E-levy now 100,000 Ghana. Near to bear 9 cities, 10 cities.
10 cities.
But a net over 1,000 Ghana so ukaka fuel. President Mama ni D-levy no. Say ye ejuma or yiro instant 1 hour yiro wadu 83 cities. This is Nkrofo we omutiabe.
Okay, you are home, mamma. Let me do some birthdays quickly. Quickly join me. Happy birthday to Mariam Seidu of Asukwa Mekion Church of Pentecost from Akosia, somewhere Japan, Mrs. Happiest birthday to Lavia Odro from Asante. Lavia Odro. Asante, Yeboah sends this to you. Ana Asante na. Bless Asante wa MCI nya Asante Yeboah. Okay. So ya no much the boy. And Asante Yeboah nkunya asem. Ohima Rebecca, today is your birthday. Beatrice sent this. Apostle Emmanuel Donko of Bread of Heaven International Ministry. Atasmanso. Oh, okay. Okay. From Yabrefo, CEO of Sapphire Gardens. Nana Kwejopoku Brempong of Immaculate Heart of Mary School from your dad, Mr. Bempong. Okay, Bempong. Madam Grace Owusu of USA, from Papa Ray in the NHIS office, and Honorable Kennedy Japan, business mogul and member of parliament, former Asen Central, aspiring to be the flag bearer of the new patriotic party when they go to the polls. Okay. Mamisha 1 week observation ye na me fanto anim se kwasiada ebe o ma ya wie ya bo ama ne nana eyi nana kwafie no amekọ na otweda ne bi no amekọ bi I mean scientific stroke, fertility and chronic disease there. Fakodan aiming scientific. Opa part of form, mamia to form a war sem kaho. 20 different certified medications and ye didi juma. You are chima off Kadasu Road. Ye the machines about MRI, hair slug, nin near the alco demua. It me ye blood clots in yinadan to winya thrombosis and gofa stroke in yama bro. Fred aiming scientific 0277001234. 0277001234. Afei express group di utu kan ye do kwamano ne akosia de ye ma scholarship ye ma admission visa no ye be gia amount ticket in one sem utwa ticket and alcohol holidays no ka fa hold express group ye islet sat gr gma tofe on de akika ho nyinara Kumasi asaf labor roundabout and Kaneshi first line ena ye be boa wa ma oni ma ye na international exams no ye kire ne asa register ma ko kire twa Freya 0249000448 0249000448 Afei Codex Health Care Limited. Diabetes here essentially yadia onipa se wo bia wo se da bia o monitor o sugar level. Na mfidie bebre na ba de eye ho adwuma e de machine a friend code free and code free plus glucometer ba. It's so easy to use, easy to apply. Na troye gu ho no so no ema clear reading ti obia krafa utimi dey e read ehu ne sugar level. Eno nti pomodin ne bora dia pharmacy, Uson's chemist, Jab pharmacy, NNA pharmacy, Sac pharmacy, any leading pharmacy shops, Lancer chemist in Yinada. Okwa also pay code free and code free plus glucometer. Obeso check it sugar level. Easy. Opebia to 0540647 867 0540647 867 and 0206972 Afei Donex Heba that scientific for na dia ba ya to your boss ya nhwemu hu say member bebre mo number one paso and the bear man so page any mo na agi out form say team the immune system so form ne brain so function ye moja so near fusane anajo timi dun so sa odofo kan hokope do neck heba available pharmacy shops heba and over counter medical shops in Bomodina Fred 0246 727 0246 727 Dunkwao on ofe Ashaman and Crime Sunyane Kumasi Ukwa Ose me pe donek heba me cha memedrono yebema obi ash foam feel it know it bomodna na da ye na obeda ye excuse me ash foam beds and mattresses pillows bed liners mattress stoppers mattress protectors your duvets curtains towels ahodo ya phantom afofrefra kra when it comes to ash foam. Get to our showrooms in Kumasi Mall, Santasi, Tafwa Hojo, SG Mall, main office, in Melody showrooms, or Kasi. Ash foam, feel it, know it. 055 657 9214. 055 657 9214. Ash foam, feel it, know it. Jabi Rabank, ye the fixed deposit, I have to need a hotosopa. Yedi obapa loan scheme and bought a ma bosiama ma di jumasronko. Yedi asempa ba ni money we are good to be about kofa wanchro bra near ma bosia face small and medium enterprises so monsomoka ho bi oni dwabi rabank di dwabia di dance say no kredie ahye ye ma na fibia nso so beto ye shares so a ye pro projected dividends Emma Eboao. Your number is 0271409340. 071409340. Jabi Rabank 2023, the best Rabank in Ghana. You are just so bonure Jabin, Ultimate Team, Onye, Roman Hill Magazine, Sipetim Pome, Fumesa, any other shaman. Na headquarters no say them kind no Jabin. Bomadana ni ja. OCP Ghana, ye de fertilizer papa bedwa so. Obia dia say wo dia atoko emo ayonum ne ho ne ma. Ukodwa so akwaje OCP 15 and OCP 10 mo amudia duanom ne nkɔ ba no mo so mo de TSP OCP ka ho frɛ yɛ na bɛgye ne doso po kogu mfudie so na no bae ne mra ne kɔtɔn ne nya sika sei dewa 0555909437 0555909437 and 0555909433 na bibia yɛ dai ekoso kama ede mau ya toothpaste ya toothbrush your total care toothpaste about was saying buying from germs that causes cavities tooth decays and then plaque is free white remember I said Duchess Monarch do any kidney brushes a hodo when it's come to pasting brushing is ya toothpaste ya toothbrush and super the noa ne kanjin and natural drinking water. Water is safe, refreshing, and offers numerous benefits. Your alkaline rich minerals like minerals, calcium, magnesium, potassium. Alkaline water, 8.5 pH. And then you see how we tested that acid temusa. Kanjin and magic drinking water hydrates you well. Antioxidant. It contains minute molecules for easier absorption for your body cells. Bomodina. So ubenya Kenyan and natural drinking water. Your liver, your heart, your kidney will be protected. Brema UGC. Johnson Ho and I'll be here 0241 449191 0241 449191. Afe 21st Clinic. A dining one near War where Hada Braka. Ubu or call Junction Council Quarters. Dome Market. They now oversee Junction Alpha Radio J. 15 branches, Ghana High and County. Sciatica expert or yeni sciatica yeni 21st Clinic. We will kill everything that has to do with your sciatica. Sciatic nerve need to be now I come out to all now 83 now will come when you have to be chabra over 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. It's 9:30. We'll close at 9:30. And Timame Emma 7 minutes. Agoya.
Oh my.
Yes, my brother.
I say, Ure or say me some first way. No, me one kakra. I say my work can is a year because of say, yeah, and you know what this year you are John Dramani Mahama. No person of fixing the once and for all now. Or they sa increment or tax ni mabam. Or say NDC for bond ni nim show my bond no more say my name eba. O man business say inti Oko Parliament don kuma ewo ho a yewura eye afenyo machination wo na neje out here woni made chen na
ade
ya na eye afenyo machin ebe ka say yemfa amanyo sem nto nche yemfa cheap political experience ni nyeden ento nche ni en support eye sa atwe na ye to a
but he walked out. Obi was here and support no, and he walked out.
He walked out. Me who's all work here. Me
they stayed. They walked out. They were not part of the voting.
Me continue verbatim. The kind no. As someone on can video no azi. Make me send them our producer no play.
Send me the video. Send me the video
right now.
You have my number.
I don't have your number. I have Akosia's number. So let me send.
Okay, send it to Akosia. No more mommy and chases here.
As someone can say. Hey, E-Levy.
You send it to Akosia because I find marking somebody. The next minute you will call me and say, Obia can he wants a rejoinder or whatever.
I'm sending the video.
And if he has really said that, send it. What's the Akosia? Akosia, please get it to the place now. Before we leave here, we'll play to confirm or otherwise. Yes. I always believe in facts. What's it? Akosia, Mr. Get it done for me. You immediately. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Asema, penny for can say. Yamfa politics in your day. Anton Chen. na saa to yenye de yɛfa ngu community member nye ntua yɛ nyam ho de nsɛm nye de mfio nti wo bɛka sɛ ɔmo de ba no ma bon a are you saying is that wo minority leader no nima de ana o sɛ saa kasa twitwi ne kasa basa ne o kasa anyhow no ɛno ne na ama makwakɔtena opposition na nka nipa nso de enim ne sɛ senka asɛm bi to anaze wo fail in life anaze wo yɛ nema bi na enya you learn from it ba mo de still na munsua hwe akaka bensem ne ehunehuna ne kasa basa no na mokɔ so yɛ de nti these are some of the reasons why Jed Mama no opposition for long ɛno ndanche wɔ se wɔ mo ma anyinam kanea ne gyina so 8 years adena na eje no onti Ghana ha bia no onti Kumasi ɔman yet kroma se na kɔtɔkɔ hene bɛka kyerɛ yɛ sɛ me mfidie nyinaa say because of them so and now my want is ɛno so me fa video ne send one
but you are ready
madam play let's
address you are using the levy to address the doomsday problem because of the challenge we have there. So, Mr. Speaker, I shall conclude by saying that this promise made by the Honorable Minister of Energy is something that all of us should embrace. Colleagues, we may talk politics, but the energy crisis, if it starts, it will bite all of us. And in fact, if we don't deal with it now, it would affect the economy in general. So I believe that the minister must be encouraged to walk the talk. All of us should get on board so that the situation doesn't get out of hand to necessitate another levy being introduced. Mr. Speaker, that is all I have on this rising. Thank you so much.
Okay. Yes, say Otrufo no sina dance ni ede. Ewa abuchiri. Asema mekan say asem true do.
Go ahead.
Enti no, the American say, wow, with you wuni ma de nchen minority leader afenyo marking. Enti to obeka say eto na NDC dey about to fight energy crisis now.
Let's not be labor. It has been played, so continue.
Just so he knows, say the be ya onko kasa ade mi no nko di ono ankasa ne mpanimfo atem. E no say o mama dum so omo so we dum so in 8 years no more time ye hu dum so. Dum so ba ya ma mo ankasa mo mpanimfo mpo timamufo biza say enkebe ya nka mo fa timetable maye e na mo say di attempt on top say I yanka se yenkonko ye timetable yanti kroma na mo kan sa ansem ni nyina enti se obetena na za wo ka se mo survey energy crisis na dum so ni ho in 8 years na eze eye ntro ye nkontompo ebiem o se covid-19 in sensem no ye NDC for enye ne ka se covid-19 more than that Ghana.
Not to cut you, Honorable Collins Adomako is watching and he says that the bite that was played, it has been cut. And the statement that was made, you know, he's watching, he says he wants to add a voice to it because the okay, you know, Abbas had it, but he was in Parliament. Okay. And the assembly kind of told.
Oh my, this is evidence.
No problem. But also, Collins Adomako quickly. We have had videos where people have cut and pasted it.
Oh my, this is not cut and paste. Where a full video like Okasa.
So Collins Adomako, who is a ranking member, Energy, former deputy minister, say he wants to add a voice. Now, he was in Parliament. This is not exactly what it was. And you know, we want to just find out. It will not be fair. Say, we are a deputy minister, a ranking member wants to make a comment. Honorable, good morning once again.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Not to say. Also, person will make a rebuttal. Me and you, but quick one.
Yes. The video now, and what they've done is now on social media, or a portion the video no to make an argument. Now this is what happened. I mean, we are not saying no a copy of the entire speech.
You send it to me tomorrow. We'll play it also. Don't worry.
I'll send the entire video. Then energy minister came to Parliament. About energy sector reforms, and I said ECG reforms in ECG. And you know, business statement nearby, we realize he had not been programmed to give us a brief this particular week. The business statement was on Friday, and so the minority leader rose up to say he wants him to be programmed so he come and give an update on the reforms. It was the reforms that the minority that was referring to, that we are in full support in order to bring the energy sector to a certain level. He never ever said he supports the 1% levy. That is not true. And what they've done is that they've cut off the portion where he talks about the reforms and play second last part. It's not true. The minority leader, let me state, has never supported the 1 Ghana levy. Indeed, just yesterday or 2 days ago, we released statements, official statements on the letterhead of the minority to say we should have even an emergency meeting to have a repeal of the 1 Ghana cedi. It is not true in support of the 1 Ghana cedi imposition. What he was referring to was reforms within the energy sector, which we support in principle. And I can send you the total video now.
All right, send it so that we.
I'll send you.
Okay, Honorable Afenyo Markin has sent a message. So my attention has been drawn to a misleading video being circulated on social media suggesting that have endorsed the Doomsday levy. This claim is entirely false and a complete misrepresentation of the statement I presented of the business statement. Let me state unequivocally, at no point did I endorse the imposition of a Doomsday levy of 1 Ghana on every liter of petroleum product on the night of Tuesday, 3rd June. What I did and will continue to do was to call for reforms which the energy minister himself promised will be brought before Parliament. I asked the minister to walk the talk by engaging Parliament and laying this reform before the House, rather than implementing them solely at the executive level. This is critical because ECG structural inefficiency, particularly in revenue collection, pose a threat to the entire energy sector. A notorious example is the fact that many consumers, both domestic and industrial, do not pay their fair share of the electricity. During my time as board chairman of ECG, I came across a report which revealed that only about 30% of power users, household and industries combined, actually pay. So this is the real crisis we must confront. Okay, this is coming from Afenyo Market.
Oh my, right up here, Afenyo Market, we are friend U10. So when you say U10, so we share Asema, MP Nekaina. I say he was talking about energy reforms, and it was all in relation to a 20 heading. And he was saying, it's about time, you let me I solve this challenge, so he was talking in support of it. Now sometimes you have to say everything expressly. So we share video, we play, How did I lie? Oh my, one can
no, but I don't know about what you said. The only about 2 Ghana, I am misleading because he never supported the 1 Ghana cedi. He said he supported the reforms of the ECG. But
the reforms was in relation to the 1 Ghana cedi now. Yeah, they're bound. It's only in his view. No, he was saying it could either be maybe Abianke betting so and I say betting in a different way. That is all part of the reason why it's a stakeholder conversations for Friday. I pass for my day. On my standing on it, the American say, sir, a way. On can say on support and on can say the M1. That's more can say.
Or can I say under no circumstance did I support the same person? No,
Osha the party for Bonachinia. This are my party.
Why
you 10? This is clear you 10 because we have video now. Some are not cannot. He was agreeing.
It is the same video. No, say it has been doctored.
Osha video now. Asema now all can say. Okay, he said doctor don't move for original one. Where explanation?
He said you bring me the original one. So unfortunately we can't.
If something is doctored, then you have the original one.
That's
so
right.
You can bring the original one. Asema that apo no say. Ono na asema can say ojitum say sa challenge na dey wo ho. Na sa aka ni na dey wo ho. Na it's about time ye nyina you be put away cheap politics. Ni ayede yet me aboa ni agigi sika na yede yetua sa aka na yede afi ho enya no na timamufo ne Ghana po ni na yede.
Okay, mama tie na na so kakra ba.
Oh mama me dem anu sisi.
But you wan no see so you have me foul time. And but mama kwan mo make up. Nana mama tie.
Omanhene menua no oye very young. Na won see say amanyo sem ya ye that she atemu ho. Yen can cry. So to say, what betina ha big platform say
na wo ditro yes I expose you unka wanu ntumo chese ndisi for de omo sa akukuduro fun na me mu bida omo ditro na wachi omo kura na omo se da omo nka omo nitro ne what do you mean anope we nim gu as big time
me nim na gu as na say enye video na
NDC communicators omo da autopilot chese ye press omo ye say robot ye press omo se monkoka we a no mu nyina di so omo mfa adwene nto ho sa asema ye kokei na ho asem ba asema ne beka omo NDC communicators no omo da autopilot omo asaso ye robot
on da autopilot
omo da omo ye se robot umia omo se monkoka we sam nya vi na dem a wo mo ene ne abas ne nkrofo nze mfalisofo so kwa chimo se mumfa we nkonkotum I am to say, Ira, I honorable Adumako, Fence, Collins, a bar Mubek once. Then the man may do want to pay. Because Sadia Menias soon I just say, feed and my imagine me. A throw. What of foul deal levy about was MP before supporting, MP before your supporter, and Quebec wants them. Ya come want some say, M1 driver for the woman. Obi o yusu friends e fa ngunu bi obi abefa ho ebe hu amane iti yen passem no ene e say mo na mo se mo doso na nka idin do kura no mo de ba no ada na man fa ma dey time munim say ade papa ada na man fa ma dey time anadu obi ada no e na mo suma mo nkrofo se mo nkom na che bedio ne nko pass e yes adi la bi we na ho asem abra young man what betina radio so ni TV so and a wood ditro and a video mo fa video ya doctor
oh my is a video doctor
yes
a short form o video ni a short he never said say doctor and I want him doctor that
hello let's allow it on the basis a tape for the for me no Collins I promise to say over my original tomorrow I'll play hello. Please don't. Young man, Bacho. Dennis, Mami allowed now on wrap up.
Senior, and no pay. Obie who say NDC party no kodwan a eye niam amietsa editwa ofruma. Baako eye nkontompo. Se wo be ditro. Enu bi na no pay a manifesto ha say. Mienu eye se wo ye patapasem. To trust them because President Mama Naga say, ye party or mudio, ye woman fear to trust them. Upe party ye to trust them or Ghana, West Africa, we are saying this party. So that's it. And nay, and no pay obi or Mutsubai. Do ye babu now or join this year? Do whom you know? We a babu now compare party a join, but join the new patriotic party. Jen ye cano cranis and it's via the at ye. And ye become once. But NDC for idea. Omo beka so unhunu tuntum a kata ye fita so akata ye kokko. This is the party I dey come from.
All right.
It ya no pay Ghana 40 as they say. The NPP yen support ASRD levy no. Ye de ye see ebe ya momo postpone no. Ne momo ye de omo cancel mo nyim free okra so that Ghana for ehun beto wo mo. Enne ye see ewiase eba be experience ya de. President Mama aka ho asem. Fa ngo bo na ebe kosoro. It you go for D levy ba ya. Ghana for ebe kase. Ne bo san be ye den ebe kosoro bebre. Iti baby a wona mo bom ho asafo nsem na maye no. Mo ma ne nka kwa. Mama ko fa tu obi ama. Ne mo ko fa the other way round. Na mo fa solve the crisis because onyanko betena so 8 years o keep the light on. It was yes.
All right. This is where I draw the curtain. Dennis Akoya Motenenka, Nana James so Motenenka. These young men are doing wonderful. And they are doing wonderfully well. My name is Omanhene Yaw. The program was directed by Ya Grace. PK is a floor manager. Akosia Sumwa, Kukwe Jando are my producers. And then Anopati Asante Boanka, all the other guys, Kevin, Azuka, and then the others. So Munina can't hold my Medijumedi Rebel. First vice. Oh, okay, for you, Chrome. Okay, didn't they say? Oziamono. I had a fancy announcement. All right, I don't know what Babintoka. to nkapa na ubehwe pa me kwa na beti mama no won wo timi pa sheye pa kwaku we all gas ya we are me yo kilentua kwaku bibia yo okay there good I was ya for any musi ha ya krabo